Hi, and welcome back to the channel. We haven't posted anything in a couple months, but we've been a little busy. So you can tell by this brick, we're not in the RV right now.
Nope, we've done a thing. We bought a house in Lakeland, built in 1970, and it has stayed in 1970. So we have a lot to do.
We got a lot of work to do. Now, we appreciate everybody that's here. You guys are subscribed because you are part of the Hungry Cuban adventures and doing our travels and stuff. And we're not done traveling. This is going to be a winter home. Our kids and our grandkids are in Florida, so half of the year we were here all the time anyway. Yep. So we figured, let's find a house and we'll travel in the summer like we have. You know how much I love to travel and to hike and continue doing those videos, but we just want to say we're grateful. I hope you don't leave us. I hope you continue watching us. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe because we're going to do a new adventure. We're actually taking a little detour. It's going to be the Hungry Cuban Adventures renovation.
Renovation edition.
Renovation edition. So I'm glad. We're really glad for those that have been here before and all you new folks. Thank you, and I appreciate you all. And I hope and pray that you like these videos coming up. And we look forward to giving you a lot of great content. We're going to learn together. Yeah, because, for sure. I mean, we've had a couple other houses and we've done some stuff here and there, but we're doing
nothing like this.
We're doing some major stuff.
We'll show you.
We're doing some major stuff.
Yeah.
But thanks for being here. We appreciate you guys.
Thanks.
Well, come on in. Check out the casa. So, house was built in 1977, and it needs work. It looks like 1977's house. So, the plan is this wall, and this wall will be coming down. This is going to be a complete plan, open plan or whatever you call that. Obviously the carpet's going, we're going to put wood floors down. We're coming here. This is the living room, which is now going to be a den. No, excuse me. No, there's the living room, which is now going to be the dining room. This was the dining room, which is going to be like a little seating area and a little office area here for us. Yeehaw! Come on in. So, our beautiful kitchen. Got to have a beautiful kitchen. And this is not it. We're going to be redoing this whole kitchen, replacing a window over here, redoing all the cabinets. This whole wall here is going to be knocked down. So basically the family room, the kitchen, the dining room, the living room is going to be all one spot. Now we come in here, walk-in pantry, washer dryer. Lady liked hanging some stuff. We got some nice stained glass. Garage, we got a big garage. I'm grateful for that. Got a big garage with some more beautiful paneling. We're going to take care of the paneling hopefully today. But let's see how much we can get done. Let's go. Let's continue. This is the family room. That bar is going away. We don't need a bar. So vaulted ceilings here, nice family room. Again, all these walls will be coming down. So I need to get an architect and do some engineering because I know that this here is a load-bearing wall. Have a nice patio out here. We got some great plans for the patio. Little coat closet. We're in Florida. You don't need a lot of space for coats. This is the guest bathroom. Old cast iron tub, which we're going to refinish. I'm going to redoing all this tile. All the drop ceilings or whatever these are called are coming down. The lighting. This pantry, not pantry, what do you call these?
Linen closet?
Linen closet. It's coming down because we're actually going to build small linen closet in here. So beautiful wallpaper. 1977 wallpaper. This is one bedroom. Just a quickie look in here. All right. That was a quickie look. A quickie look in the bedroom number 2. I got cable. I got cable here. So bedroom 2, nice big windows. We're actually going to redo all these windows too. Some reading glasses. Maybe we'll find some money in the walls when we start opening them up.
You could use those reading glasses, honey, huh?
There's the master. Biggest room. You want to keep this fan?
I don't know. Some of this stuff is kind of cool.
Oh, and a decent walk-in closet for us. After being in an RV for the last 6 years, we don't have a lot of clothes. We probably never will. We always end up using the same clothes. So we have a nice walk-in closet here. And I show you our master bath. It's huge. Not really. It's kind of small. Here's a shower. We're going to redo all this. We're not keeping the seat. I think we're going to get rid of the seat. But this is going to be all glass enclosure. We're going to get rid of all this, and it's going to be all glass. Again, these roofs are all going up. The ceilings are all going up. Some more beautiful 1970 wallpaper. So that's it. That's the plan. That's what we're planning on doing. We're starting demo today. Hopefully we're going to take out a lot of the paneling, and we'll go from there. We're thinking it's going to be about 3 or 4 months, and we're going to learn as we go. We've done a couple homes before, but not the amount of work that we got to do here. But we're excited to make it our own, and I'm glad you guys are here to follow along and be part of this journey with us. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. So day number 2 of reno, or demo, not reno, but demo. We got a lot done yesterday. We took down all the wood siding here, the wood paneling, and this is my load-bearing wall that we're going to have to get engineered. The plan today is to cut on both sides of this wall, the drywall, so we can look inside. I can get some pictures and some video and send it to the engineer. But we got all this done. Got the living room done. As you can tell, it makes a big difference. Look how much brighter and fresher looking it is. So today is right around the the load-bearing wall, so we can look inside, and also taking down the wall going into the kitchen and dining room. This is coming down. At least the drywall is. So day number 2, here we go.
And carpet.
And we're going to do the carpet too. And whatever else comes into mind. We got a lot to do. So we're just taking it one day at a time. What are we doing?
We are testing for asbestos.
Why?
In the popcorn ceiling, because back in the 70s, some of the popcorn ceilings had asbestos. So before we start messing with that, we're going to send it in to CME Labs.
Nice popcorn ceiling. So the end of week 1, a little messy. I don't know if the camera lens is dirty or dusty, but there's dust everywhere. But 4 days, we've done a lot. Let me show you. We've taken down all the drywall, all the carpet in the living room, in the dining room. We took down the whole kitchen. Yeah, we had dear friends of ours come out and help us yesterday. And then another friend of ours, Kaya, came out and helped us with some wallpaper. But it's a blessing to have good friends. So come in. All the cabinets are down. We had a little bit of a water leak. We're actually going to redo all this water line. I just got to get the plumber out here to take care of everything. All the drop, whatever they're called, balances. If you know what it's called, put it on the bottom. You know where the lights come down, whatever. That's down. So flat. We got the window seat. We still don't know what to do. You guys let us know in the comments. What do you think? I was thinking of enclosing it and putting another window just like the kitchen window, same size. Obviously, that has to be replaced. But putting one here, evening it out, and just having a solid wall so we have counter space because there's too much dust in here. Okay. Then came in here. This is where the wet bar was. We removed it. I'm going to close this, make this a wall on the back side of the bar where the bar used to be. I think what I'm going to see if the plumber can put an outside sink with the water. Everything's there already, so that should be okay. So family room, all the paneling's gone. Drywall's gone. The bathrooms we haven't even touched. We did get all the carpets off. The whole house, the city of Lakeland has been incredible. We put it out. They came out and picked it up. So I wanted to do a lot more videos of the process, but guys, we're doing so much work. There's just no way I could videotape it. I hope that you're liking these, and I hope as we get into more of the detail stuff that I'll do more videos of that. But this demo process, and we're not done, has been a challenge. We still got to do the tile. We're probably going to get a company to do that. I don't want to attempt it. And also we want to do the popcorn ceiling, have somebody else do that. I just can't see myself for 8 hours and 1,800 square feet. So you got anything to say, Mama?
It's been a great week. I've learned a lot. My husband's teaching me, and we're really grateful for this house that God has given us.
Thank you, Mario, Chrissy, and Kaya for this week's help.
Yes.
All right. See you all on the next one.